Good morning to all. Today our chapter is quadratic equation word problem from the book Ganit Prakash class 10 for WB exercise 1.3. The first question is given the difference of two positive whole numbers is 3 and the sum of their square is 117. You have to write the two numbers. Okay, just see. So let the two number be x and x plus 3. Question number 1. Let the two numbers be x and x plus 3 because the difference is 3. One is x, another will be x plus 3. As per the question, the difference between the two whole number is 3. Bigger one is x plus 3, smaller one is x. Now sum of their square. According to question, sum of their square means first number square plus second number square equal to how much? 117. You have to apply x square. This is x plus 3 means a plus b whole square. This will be x square plus 2x, that is 6x plus 9 is equal to 117. X square plus x square coming, 2x square plus 6x. Now bring 9 minus 117 will come minus 108 equal to 0. You can simplify taking common and dividing to both sides. This will be x square plus 3x minus 54. This is equal to 0. Now you have to solve this quadratic equation by middle term breaking. You got one quadratic equation. This is a word problem based on quadratic equation. How to middle term? 9 6 are 54. That means if you will factorize, you will get x square plus 9x minus 6x minus 54 equal to 0. Take x common from the first two. This will be x plus 9. From the last two, take minus 6 common. X plus 9 equal to 0. Finally, it will be how much? X plus 9 whole into x minus 6 equal to 0. As it is a whole number, therefore x cannot be negative. If I will take x plus 9 equal to 0, I will get negative number minus 9. That should not be taken because that is a whole number. And if you will take second bracket, that is x minus 6 equal to 0, I will get x is equal to 6. X equal to 6. So what is the number, natural number? Whole number 6. Another will be 6 plus 3. The first number is x and second number will be x plus 3. That means 6 plus 3 will be how much? 9. Therefore required two whole numbers. Required two whole numbers. Required two whole numbers are one is 6, another is 9. By which the difference is 3 or not? The smaller number is 6, bigger number is 9. Okay. In this way, I have completed question number 1, exercise 1.3. Okay. Let us go next number. Just see. Question number 2. See, the base of a triangle is 18 meter more than 2 times of its height. 2 times of its height. If the area of triangle given 360 square meters, then you have to find out the height of triangle. Whenever the question given the base of a triangle is 18 meter more than 2 times of its height, let the height of the triangle be x. Then base will be 2x plus 18 because 18 meter more than 2 times. Let us see. Question number 2. First of all, draw one triangle. Any triangle, scalene triangle, having height. This is the height, means altitude. Let the height of triangle be x meters. Okay. The height of the triangle I have taken x meters. The base will be how much? 18 meter more than 2 times. That means 2x plus 18 meters. Yes or no? So let the height of triangle be, let the height of the triangle be x meter. Then its base will be how much? 2x plus 18 meter, more than 2 times 2x plus 18 meter. Now according to question, area of triangle formula is what? Area of triangle formula is half base into height. Area of triangle given how much? 360 meter square is equal to half base here how much? 2x plus 18. 2x plus 18 means I can take 2 common, that will be x plus 9. Why I am doing it like this? Because 2 can be cancelled here. Into height is how much? X. I think it is clear. Base is 2x plus 18. I have taken 2 common. I am writing here 2 whole into x plus 9. It will be 2 cancelled. After that you are getting one quadratic equation. This will x square plus 9x, and this will be minus 360 equal to 0. You have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. Quadratic equation getting x square plus 9x minus 360 equal to 0. Let us see. Just to see, x square, if you will break middle term, this will be plus 24x minus 15x. If I will multiply 24 and 15 to get minus 360, then 24 minus 15 will be 9. So minus 360 equal to 0. From the first two I can take x common, x plus 24. From the last two I have to take common how much? Minus 15. What is left here? Just to see, x plus 15 2 ja 30, 15 4 ja 60, x plus 24. Now x plus 24 taken outside and x minus 15 left. Therefore, if I take x plus 24 equal to 0, you will get negative number. The length of the side cannot be negative. You have to reject this one. Then if I take x is equal to x minus 15 equal to 0, x is equal to 15 I will get. X equal to 15. X means what? Length of height. Therefore, the length of height of the triangle, equal to 15 meter. Okay, 15 meter. In this way, question number 2 complete. Let us go next number. Question number 3, what is given? Just to see. Question number 3, it is given, if 5 times of a positive whole number is less by 3 than twice of its square, 2x square minus 3. So let the whole number be x. 5 times a positive whole number, that means 5x. 5x is means equal to 3 less than twice of its square, means 2x square minus 3. 5x equal to 2x square minus. This is the concept. It is written in English. You have to write a mathematical concept. If 5 times of a positive whole number, 5 times is 5x, let the whole number be x. Let us see. Question number 3. Let the whole number be x. Let the whole number be x. According to question, 5 times a positive whole number. 5 times means 5x. 5 times a positive whole number is 3 less than twice the square, means 2x square minus 3. 2x square minus 3. This is the statement. Now you have to make one quadratic. This will be 2x square. Take this one that side. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation form. Now you have to solve this quadratic equation by middle term breaking. Okay. How to break? Just to see. Your multiplication is minus 6, addition is minus 5. So what is the number? Minus 6x plus x. Minus 6x plus x, which will give you minus 5x, and if I will multiply, you will get minus 6 equal to 0. Your multiplication is 2 and minus 3, multiply minus 6, addition minus 5, minus 6 and plus 1. Take 2x common from the first two, it will be x minus 3. From the last two, take 1 common, that will be x minus 3 equal to 0. After that, x minus 3 taken outside, then this will be 2x plus 1. From the first bracket I will get x is equal to 3. As it is a whole number, therefore if I take this one, this will be fraction coming, means minus 1 by 2. X equal to minus 1, that is the cancel. Only you have to take the positive whole number. Okay, 3. The required number is 3. Therefore, required whole number is equal to 3. This is the answer of number 3. In this way, question number 3 also completed. Let us go next number. Question number 4, you see, the distance between two places is 200 km. The time taken by the motor car from one place to another is less by 2 hours. That means the motor car speed is more, as it is taking 2 hours less. Another is less by 2 hours than the time taken by a jeep car. If the speed of the motor car is 5 km per hour more than the speed of the jeep car, that means the speed of motor car is more. How much more? 5 km per hour more than the speed of the jeep car. Let the speed of jeep car be x, then the speed of the motor car will be x plus 5 km per hour. Okay, distance given, and you have to find out time individually. Then as per the question, the difference in time will be 2 hours. Let us see. Distance between two places. Question number 4. Suppose this is the distance between two places A and B. Distance is how much? 200 km. Distance given, and the speed. Let the speed of the jeep car. Let the speed of jeep car be x km per hour. X km per hour. Then the speed of motor car will be how much? Motor car will be just 5 km per hour more. That means x plus 5 km per hour. That means the speed of motor car is more than the speed of the jeep car by 5 km per hour. That means automatically the motor car will take less time than jeep car. Now, time taken by jeep car will be how much? Time formula is distance by speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. The time is distance by speed. Distance is how much? 200 km. Distance by speed, that is x. 200 by x kilometer, sorry, hour. And time taken by motor car will be how much? Distance by speed, 200 by x plus 5 hour. So according to question, the motor car time is less and the time taken by jeep car is more. That means 200 by x minus 200 by x plus 15 is equal to how much? Equal to 2 hours. The difference in time is 2 hours. How to solve this one? First of all, it will be more easier if you take LCM. X will be x whole into x plus 15, and this will be 200 x plus 200 into x, 200 into 15, it will be 15 to the 3000 minus x into 200, that is 200 x equal to how much? 2. Now this 200x minus 20 cancel out. What left? 3000, and this was equal to 2 multiplied this x square plus 15x. After that, do one thing, this 2 divided here, this will become 1500. 1500 equal to x square plus 15x. Now we make the quadratic equation. This will be how much? X square plus 15x minus 1500 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation, and you solve for x by middle term breaking. Your multiplication is, this is 15x, multiplication is 1500 and addition is plus 15. You have to factorize. Let us see. Just to repeat, let me equation just check whether there is some mistake. See, time taken by jeep car is 200 by x, distance by speed, that is speed of the jeep car I have taken x km per hour, and this time taken by motor car will be 200 by x plus 5, because 5 km per hour more. See, 200 by x minus 200 by x plus 5, not 15. There is slight mistake here. By mistake, I have written here 15. This is x plus 15 here. Now, if I take LCM, this will be x whole into x plus 15. Therefore, slight mistake is coming. And now, this will be 200x, 200 into 5, this will be 5 to the 100, means 1000. 1000 coming, 1000. 1000 if you will cancel by 2, it will be 500. Now, it is coming x square plus 15x minus 500 equal to 0. Now, it will come x square, multiplication is minus 500, addition is plus 15. It will be how much? Just now you solve, it will come. X square plus 5x minus, this is 500. I am clearly writing again. Due to some mistake there, instead of 5 I have written 15. Slight mistake here, I have corrected here. It is coming x square plus 5x, not 15, and this is minus 500 equal to 0. You have to solve by middle term breaking. It will be x plus 25 and x minus 20 equal to 0. Direct term breaking. Therefore, x will be how much? 20 km per hour. So, what is the speed of the jeep car? That is 20 km per hour, and the motor car speed will be 5 km per hour more. Therefore, speed of motor car x plus 5 means 20 plus 5, it is coming 25 km per hour. This is the answer. Okay. The speed of jeep car is 20 km per hour, and the motor car is 25 km. This one is speed of jeep car. Okay. Speed of jeep car 20 km per hour, speed of motor car is 25 km. In this way, question number 5 up to comment right. Okay. Thank you for today's class. Later tomorrow sums.